Good morning, sir. I'm Luis Ilagan, your student nurse for today. Sir, can you state your name and your age?
Ethan Yolendo po, 18 years old.
Sir, I will ask you some few questions. What is your height, sir?
5'11",
What is your weight, sir?
57,
What is your past weight?
57.
Do you have fever?
Yes.
What is your medication, sir?
Paracetamol.
Intake niyo sa isang araw, sir?
Tatlo po.
Do you have allergies, sir?
Wala po.
Present health concern?
Wala din.
History of abnormal pulse?
Wala din po.
History of abnormal respiratory rate?
Wala din.
Sir, ano yung past yung blood pressure?
120/80 po.
History of pain or treatment?
Wala naman po.
Hypertension po?
Wala naman po.
Metabolic problems?
Wala din naman.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your cooperation.